Hey viewers, this is your girl Evee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where I prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients, very necessary. Today we are making some sweet tropical pineapple smoothie. Yeah, you know I love smoothies. So these are my ingredients. I have some mangoes, lemon, pineapple, banana, ginger, turmeric powder, and some coconut water. Yes, this is an anti-inflammatory tropical pineapple smoothie to fight inflammation. So let's get started. So I just transfer everything into my power blender, starting with my coconut water. Then I squeeze my lemon into it. Just look at that, colorful, creamy, smooth, eye-catching tropical pineapple smoothie. Yes, why don't you try this at home and the family? You are gonna love it. Just look at that, full of vitamins and nutrition. So please try this at home and send me a comment. Thank you so much for the likes, the comments, and the subscriptions. Please kindly like this video and subscribe. Okay, love you and see you in our next video. Bye bye.